Hello, my name's Allison, and I am from Fresno, California. An interesting fact about myself that someone would not know by looking at me is that I am a mother and I'm also married. Um, my kids are my world, and they're one of the main reasons I went back to school was to show them that you don't give up on yourself and always pursue your dream. So, that is an interesting fact about me. The credential that I am seeking is a multiple subject credential. I want to be an elementary school teacher. I feel like the younger kids I have a better connection with and I'm able to bond better with. Currently, I am long term subbing for high school. It's totally a different world than when you are in an elementary class. I definitely like the high school kids. It's just not where I want to permanently end up. Um, Three hopes or dreams that I have. One hope is that I become the best teacher that I can be possibly and am able to see my students succeed. A dream I have is that I want my students to be successful in all areas academically, and I hope that I am able to get them there through teaching. And my last hope is to be at a school that is welcoming and supportive and also has a great atmosphere. Three nightmares or fears that I have is my first fear is a kid throwing a chair at me. My mom has been a high school teacher for 20 years, and she has had a kid throw a chair at her. She's had a desk thrown at her. She's had all kinds of stuff. So that is one of my fears, how to react when something like that happens. Another fear is being placed at a school that the administrators don't back you up or aren't supportive of you. I want to be placed at a school that is supportive in the way that I teach, and also the atmosphere is a positive atmosphere. My last fear is not being able to get a teaching job. I have a fear that what if I went through all this trouble and I'm not able to obtain that dream that I actually went through all this hard work for. So I hope that doesn't happen. I am looking forward to these next 4 weeks, and thank you very much.